Okay, looking at job 23000, the marketplace at Factoria. This is for Bailey Construction, and they're taking a couple buildings that are in Factoria and doing some remodeling, and I think there's going to be some new tenants in there. This is in the same parking lot as Bank of America. You've got KFC, which is close by. Then you've got Nordstrom Rack, Rite Aid. It's all part of this marketplace at Factoria. We've been asked to do some concrete, asphalt work, striping, some signage, and some 6-inch bollards that are 8 foot long. This would all be pave ready. All right, and first of all, I'm going to show you the asphalt repairs. Asphalt depth is, let's see here. Asphalt depth, I believe, is 4 inches. And concrete, by the way, is going to be 6 inches. Okay, so all the areas in pink, I've put the dimensions on it. And going counterclockwise around, I've got all these measurements. So here, got this long measurement. Broke up that measurement right there. That's a 32 by 4. Then you've got this section here, this skinny section. It's like restoration. It's 186 by 2. Then you make your way around to a 23 by 4, 175 by 5, which is this whole stretch here. Okay, then you've got a 22 by 10. I didn't get that little piece right there, so let's add that on there. But that's a 12 by 5. Okay, so 12 by 5. I didn't add that, but let's do it now. Okay, so then I've got that in there as a 12 by 5. Then you got a 213 foot by, that says 4, but that needs to be 5. There you go, that's a 213 by 5. A 38 by 5. So you should have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. 12 different dimensions there. And you should be somewhere up around 5,900 square feet. I can't remember what the total is on that. All right, so 4-inch depth. Everything will be done and ready. We just need to pave it back. Okay, so we'll just pave that back. Then you got concrete sidewalk. This concrete sidewalk will do broom finish, 6-inch. It's going to be all of this within the pink. So that's all sidewalk going through here. Okay, and I've got the dimensions on the sidewalk, starting counterclockwise from the top. This large section right here, 207 by 18. And you have 177 by 5.5. So 177 by 5.5 goes all the way to here. Then this little area right here, the circular area there. Okay, that is a 23 by 16. And then the last thing is over here. That area is 52 by 7. Vertical curb. There's vertical curb that goes in between the asphalt restoration and the sidewalk. Goes all the way around. And actually has little areas here like this spot, this spot, this spot, this spot, and then a couple other areas here on this. On my detail, I kind of cut off the ink there. It didn't show that. But you can see the base is 7 3/4 inch. At the top, it's 5.5 inch. The height is 16 inches tall. And there's 494 feet. Then you've got ADA ramps. We've got some 1, 2, 3, 4 perpendicular ramps. And we've got, I should have said 3 perpendicular. No, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, there's 4 perpendicular ramps. So that shouldn't say 3, that should say 4. And 1 parallel. That parallel ramp is right there. So that actually should say 4. That's 1. Detectable warning mats, 2x5, 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 2x5 for each ramp. The detail for the vertical curb, the asphalt, sidewalk. And that shows curb and gutter right there, which I'm not sure why, because it's telling me to do this barrier curb there instead. Yeah, it says vertical curb per 3 on C1.1, and this is C1.1, and that's vertical curb. Basically, it's like that. Okay. Bollard detail. I'm actually going to leave the bollards out right now. Take that back. I'm going to put it in. So in the architectural drawings, there's an 8-foot bollard. It's a 6-inch pipe, schedule 40 pipe, and in the detail, it says it's supposed to be 4 feet in depth, and then that says 3 feet out of the ground, but I put 4 feet. There's actually 2 dimensions, so you know what? I'm not gonna bid the bollards yet. I'm gonna ask the contractor about this because there's 2 different details for that. So let's not worry about the bollards. Okay, and then you have your striping in your ADA sections there. So you got 21 stalls, 4 ADAs. You got 4 ADA signs, 2 of which need not only the ADA sign, but they need the little ADA van accessible placard that goes underneath it. So you got 4 regular ADA signs, and then you've got 2 van accessible signs, the little placards, the 12x6 placards that go underneath it. Those are going to go on round posts and have a concrete base. There's no sleeve anchors or anything. All right, so you got that. Got the signage. There's 450 feet of cross hatching, which goes all through the ADA section and the path of travel. There's a little bit here on the other side of the building, on the I believe it'd be the north side of the building. Okay, some stall striping that's right here. Doesn't say we need to do the ADAs. It just says we need to do the stall lines per letter E, 4-inch solid white. Okay, I think that's it for the striping. So this is job number 23000. This is something they're looking at doing possibly during the winter on the concrete and the asphalt. And then I don't know when they'll do the striping. But again, this is for Bailey Construction. And this stuff will be plugged into Google Drive. And you'll want to refer to this when it comes to the quantities in this video. Okay? Thanks.